So what about if we want to find out the most common enjoyment rating? We need to use a different type of average called a mode. So a mode is the most commonly occurring number in a list of numbers. So what we're going to do is Excel can really do this nice and easily for us. We go equals mode, and it's got this mode.sngl, meaning single, so it's going to give us the single most commonly occurring number. And we put in our range. So our range here is from column F2 to F9. So we want to know the most commonly occurring number in the cells from F2 to F9. So F2 to F9. And I close my bracket and it says 5. So great, our most commonly occurring number is 5. So sometimes we need to look at different types of averages depending on the type of data we get, or what that data means and how we might interpret it. So let's have a look at this, how this would look in a larger data set, because we could probably eyeball that and go, oh, I see 5 is the only number. Oh, 4 also occurs twice. But you can kind of eyeball that and go, okay, it's what is it? But that's going to be much harder in a larger data set. There's no way you could eyeball that. So that's where Excel really comes into its own, is when you're managing lots of data. So we go equals again, and it's exactly the same formula, mode.sngl. And what we then need to do is look at, the starting point is F2. And our ending one, remember our rows are going all the way down to 101. So F101. So I can click on it or I can type that in. So all the way to F101 and I close the bracket. And it says the most commonly enjoyment rating over 100 rows is only 2. So that's a bit of a worry. Our students really aren't enjoying their reading. So now we know we probably really need to do something about that.